Okay, good evening. Meanwhile, you also go on reading. Okay. Emperor Nasiruddin was famous for his generosity and humility, not humanity, humility. Being an emperor, he never took anything from the government treasury for his private expenses. By engaging private tuitions to children, he used to earn his livelihood. One day, his wife's hand was burnt with cooking the food, gave her acute pain. She ran to her husband and cryingly said, "Look, my hand was burnt. Can't a great emperor like you engage a cook? Look, my hand was burnt. Cannot a great emperor like you engage a cook?" The emperor smilingly said, my dear queen, don't forget that this treasure is not mine. This treasure is not mine. This is of the public. It would be a great sin to take anything out of this for private expenses. The queen was satisfied with the answer and went to kitchen quietly. Okay, in this only two characters are there, Nasiruddin and queen. The king, the emperor Nasiruddin is famous for his generosity and humility. Okay, I will ask one more question. You will read this once again. Look, my hand was burnt. Can't a great emperor like you engage a cook? Who is engaged in this passage, in this line, in this reply? Any one of you? I will unmute everyone. You may tell.
Hard.
Who is engaged? Who is you in this reply?
Sir, Emperor Narasuddin. Sir,
Yes, emperor. Yes, emperor. Emperor.
Emperor
Good.
Narasuddin. Sir, Emperor Narasuddin.
Read once again, everyone in the class. You should be like lion, not like
Emperor
sheep.
Narasuddin. Emperor Narasuddin. Emperor Narasuddin. Emperor Narasuddin. Emperor Narasuddin.
You used to tell the children
Option 4, sir.
Option 4, sir.
children used to earn livelihood private tuitions by engaging in money for his private expenses. Okay. Never took anything government treasury for his private expenses. By engaging private tuitions to children, he used to earn. Okay, good. Option 4 is correct. Private expenses. He never took. So these two sentences are combined, related. Okay, good. Fourth option. Very good. You are improving a lot, children. Day by day, you are improving a lot. Good, good. Next, the queen cried before the emperor because the queen cried. Nah? Yes. Queen cried.
Her hand was
Yes, very good. No. There was plenty of money in the treasury. Her hand was burnt. She wanted to have more servants. She did not cook the food properly. Wait, we'll see. One day, his wife hands burnt cooking, gave her acute pain. She ran to her husband and cryingly said, "Look, my hand was burnt. Can't a great emperor like you engage a cook?" The emperor smiling said. So the queen cried before the emperor because there was a plenty of money in the treasury. No, her hand was burnt or she wanted to have more servants. She did not cook food properly. Which one is the correct answer? Option 3 also somewhat nearer to answer, but they won't give this type of nearer answers in the official exam. This is not official question paper. You may consider third also because she want to have more servants. But she told that engage a cook. Only 1% she told. Okay, you no need to consider. You consider only second option. Next, Nasiruddin agreed that the money in the royal treasury belongs to him, belongs to government employee. belongs to common man,
Belongs
belongs to
to the
queen.
common man. Option three.
common man.
Belongs to common man.
Where is royal treasury? Where is treasury? Not mine. Okay, not my dear queen. Don't forget that this is treasury is not mine. This is of public. It would be great sin to take anything out of the private expenses. The queen was satisfied to answer. This is of public. Who is public? Belongs to government employees or common man?
Common man.
Common man.
Very good. The
Say
government
common
employees
man.
what will come? All public people are government employees? No, but all government employees are public. But all, have you understood? All government employees are public, but all public people are not government. Okay, I think you are not confused. Yes. Okay, you may read again in your home also. Next, the queen became silent after. I think I have understood that after this many days you have improved a lot, children. Your improvement, I am seeing you some improvement in you while in reading and while in finding the answers also. Good. You have to improve a lot. Need improvement. The queen became silent after hearing the king's reply because she had no reply with her. She was astonished. She was impressed by the high ideals of king. She thought the emperor was angry. She was astonished. She had no reply with her. What's the answer? The queen became silent after hearing the king's reply. Where is king's reply? Look, my hand was burnt. Okay, my dear queen, don't forget that this treasure is not mine. This is of public. It would be great sin to take anything out of my private expense. The queen was satisfied. Answer went to the kitchen quietly. Satisfied with the answer and okay, why she is satisfied? Don't forget that.
Satisfy.
She was astonished. She was impressed by the high ideals of king. She was no reply with her. It's wrong. She thought the emperor was angry. What's the answer? She was astonished or
Option three.
she was impressed by the king by the high idols of king.
Idol of the king. Option
Sir, option
Yes,
three.
it's idols.
Option three.
Idols will
Option
come.
three.
Who also one was somewhat nearer to question, nearer to answer, but absolute answer is 3.
Yes, sir. Option three.
I will go for a last 10 years question. We'll get to know. Okay, those question papers are official, but we have to pick this only. This astonished is not. We won't get. Okay. Everyone in the class screen is looking or not? Is this
Yes,
screen
sir.
is visible or not? Yes. Okay. Okay. Right.
For you only.
Okay. She was impressed by the high ideals of the king. Okay. Next, we have 10 minutes. You read this passage again and again in your home, children. Next, we'll
Okay,
see this.
sir.
We'll read this one more. We'll take one more passage. Okay. Okay. You go on reading,
Okay,
children.
sir.
Meanwhile, I will also read.
You don't use your data before class. Okay, now?
In the total development of man, education has got a significant place. Without education, man is like an animal. It is very important that men and women should have equal education. If women remains educated, society will remain backward. During these days, we see better results of women education in different fields. As a result, women education, bad customs and superstitions have started disappearing. For the development of state, men and women are bearing equal responsibilities. Okay, it's a good passage. It's a valuable passage. So how many times you read? Meanwhile, I have read for 1 time. 2 times or 1 time? Everyone in the class, I have given you permission. How many times you have read? Meanwhile. Okay, good.
Sir, 2 times.
Okay, good.
Sir,
Great,
2
great.
times.
Education
Sir,
is
2
significant
times.
because education is significant because it converts animals to men. No.
3 times, sir.
Good.
Sir, 2
Great,
times.
children. Yes, we'll come to these questions. Education is significant
2
because
times.
it converts animals into man.
Option 2.
It develops man's mental and moral power. It helps for development of the state. It is necessary for women.
Not Option it is option
Sir,
Sir,
for
option
the
two.
development of state,
Sir,
total
option two.
development of man education has
Two.
not significant place. Without education,
Sir,
man
option two.
Sir, option two.
develops
Option
man's
two.
mental and moral.
Sir,
The total development
option
man
two.
education has yes significant place.
Sir, option two.
Yes, good. Option two. Because they
Sir,
are told
option
like
two.
without education, man is like animal. Okay, education is significant because it develops man's and women's mental and moral power. Okay. Next, women needs education because development is possible only if all are educated. Only women can remove the social ills of society. Women like to work. Women are superstitious by nature.
Only women can.
Okay, here they have given women need to education. If women remains uneducated, society will remain backward. Women should have equal. It is very during
Sir, option
the
Sir, option two.
very good.
Sir,
Here
option
they have
two.
given educated as a result of women education, bad customs and superstitions has disappeared, has started disappearing. Yes, option two. Next, without education, good. Without education, man is equal to animal because he does not work hard, he remains superstitious. He cannot live without education. His mental abilities cannot develop. What's the answer? Does
Sir,
not work
option
hard. Wrong. He remains superstitious.
Sir, option is four.
His mental abilities cannot
Sir,
develop.
option four.
Four also will come. He cannot live without education. Without
Three
education,
or
take it.
four. Two.
Three, education. You can live. You cannot live without education. Some people catch the pigs around you.
Yes.
Have you seen? The people catch the pigs around you and eat them with that also they will live. Okay, but they are uneducated. Okay, so live without education we can live, but we won't get moral things. Okay, next, what's the answer? Fastly, make it fast.
Sir, option
Option
four.
four. Sir, option four. Sir, option four. Sir, option four. Sir, option four.
Sir, option four.
His mental ability. Okay, even superstitions also.
Sir, option four.
Even superstitions also will come, but they are given that development of man in significant place. Okay, yes, option 4 will come, but they won't give this type of okay in the official paper. Okay. But you have to, if they are given also, you have to choose his mental abilities cannot develop. Okay, what are the results of women education? The girls are going to school. Superstitions and bad customs are disappearing from society. Women are getting jobs.
Superstitions and bad customs are disappearing from the society.
Women are taking equal responsibilities with men because they are superstitious. Good. Option 2 is correct answer. They are trained. They are earning a lot of money. They are equal to men. Women
Sir,
are
option two.
taking equal responsibilities.
Sir, option three.
Sir, option one.
Sir, option.
Results. Wait. If women remain uneducated, see, it is very important. The men and women should have equal education. If women remain uneducated, society will remain backward. During
Sir,
these days,
option four.
better results of women education in different field. As a result, women education, bad customs, superstitions have started disappear. For development of state, men and women are bearing equal responsibilities. Okay,
Option four.
they are taking equal responsibilities. Means they are equal because they are equal. If they are equal only, they can take responsibility. Equal.
Sir, option four.
Wait, we are not taking equal responsibility with men because they are equal. No. Different field. During these days, we are better results of women education. As a result of women education, bad customers are this. For development of state, men are bearing. For the development of the state, men and women are bearing equal responsibilities. Women are taking equal responsibilities with men because they are superstitious. Wrong. They are earning a lot of money. Wrong. They are trained or they are equal to men. What's the answer?
Sir, option four.
Yes, option 4 will come. They are trained also wrong. Yes, good. Right. I am ending this meeting. Wait a minute. So, who of you, how many of you, if you completed your analysis from which paper? 1988 paper, send me. Then only send me, okay? Arihant maths also, Arihant maths stuff also you send to Ashana sir, okay? Sir is asking Arihant maths stuff. And if you're done with the analysis of 1988, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, then only send it to me. Send it to me in WhatsApp. Else don't send. Okay? Right. I'm ending this meeting.
Okay.